corn.
Kettle corn. And then pulled pork. Pull that pork. Pull that pork. Mini melts. Bratwurst. Bratwurst. That's right. And then you kettle corn. Kettle corn. They're doing it. Kettle corns are doing it. That's the lemonade. That's the lemonade. Yeah. Wait, y'all. Pulled pork. Pulled pork.
I like that.
Or is it more like this? I don't know. I don't.
We need to make a video.
I am making a video right here. Do it for me.
That was a video? I'm ashamed.
I'm ashamed.
No, don't be
Bratwurst.
ashamed.
I got pretty good.
Bratwurst. Bone broth, believe it or not, come right here and we'll give you a shot. That bratwurst.
Woo!
Bratwurst. I'm
Bratwurst.
just a backup dancer, I'm not a singer.
Das ist fantastisch, Bratwurst.
Look at Jason.
Oh, die Bratwurst ist fantastisch, wunderbar.